Hey Flutter enthusiasts! Welcome back to Flutt Sky. Today we're exploring an awesome Flutter widget called AnimatedPositioned. This nifty tool lets you create smooth, eye-catching animations with just a few lines of code. Before we begin, if you are new to channel, like this video and subscribe to the channel for more awesome videos, and don't forget to check out my previous videos for more insights. Let's dive in and see how it works. I've whipped up a quick app to show you AnimatedPositioned in action. See that blue box? Watch what happens when I tap this button. Cool, right? The box glides smoothly to its new spot. It's a small touch, but it really adds a professional feel to your app. Now, let's break down how we made this happen. First things first, I have used a stateful widget and a Boolean value that will trigger the animation. In the body of scaffold we have a column widget that contains the sized box widget which give constraints to our AnimatedPositioned widget. The animated position needs to be inside a stack widget. The stack is like a canvas where we can place our animated widget wherever we want. Now, let's focus on the star of the show, AnimatedPositioned widget. AnimatedPositioned widget has some properties. We will look at some, one by one. Left. This tells our widget where to sit horizontally. We're using a ternary operator to switch between value of 50.0 and 200.0 from the left edge. Top. This sets the vertical position of 100.0 from the top. Duration. How long should our animation take? We've set it to 1 second. Curve. This adds some pizzazz to the movement. Curves.ease in out makes it start slow, speed up, and then slow down again. The child of our AnimatedPositioned is just a blue container with some text and a color blue. Nothing fancy there. So, how do we actually trigger the animation? That's where our button comes in. I have used an elevated button. Here, onPressed has the setState method. When we tap the button, it flips a Boolean called _isMoved. This change triggers a rebuild, and AnimatedPositioned takes care of the rest. The child of contains a text widget. Let's spice things more. Let's add some extra flair and try changing the curve. We will change the curve to bounce out. Let's reload our app. Now you can see our box has a playful bounce at the end of its journey. Flutter offers tons of different curves. My personal favorites are curves.ease in back for a dramatic entrance, and curves.elastic in out for a springy feel. You can try these for more visuals. AnimatedPositioned isn't just about left and right. We can move our widget any way we like. Let's try a diagonal move. We will update the movements. We use Boolean value to switch between the 250 and top position between 300 and 100, and we will use the curve.ease in out. Now let's save and check for the changes. Now our box zooms diagonally across the screen. Pretty cool? Huh? Now that we've seen how AnimatedPositioned works, let's talk about some real-world applications. This widget is incredibly versatile and can enhance your app's user experience in many ways. Sliding menus, interactive tutorials, card stacks, expandable FABs, progress indicators. The possibilities are endless. With AnimatedPositioned, you can add that extra polish to your app that users will love. And there you have it. AnimatedPositioned is a simple yet powerful way to add smooth moves to your Flutter apps. Whether you're sliding a menu into view or creating an interactive game element, this widget has got you covered. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and inspiring. If you did, you know what to do. Smash that like button and hit subscribe. It really helps the channel grow and motivates me to create more content like this. Got questions about AnimatedPositioned? Want to share how you're using it in your projects? Or maybe you have ideas for future tutorials? Drop them all in the comments below. I love hearing from you, and your feedback helps shape the content of this channel. Don't forget to check out our Flutter playlist for more widget deep dives and Flutter tips and tricks. And hey, if you're feeling generous, why not share this video with a fellow Flutter developer? Spread the love. Until next time, keep animating, keep coding, and stay awesome. This is Flutt Sky, signing off. Happy coding, everyone.